Hi everyone, my name is Ellen Ren, and I would like to present to you my biomimicry project named the WingGuard, an insect repelling device for temporary food services. In many parts of the world, people rely on these informal food services like produce markets, wet markets, temporary food stalls, and open-air bazaars. They're often less regulated and not very hygienic. Thus, insects, especially flies, can become both a nuisance and a serious health concern for the sellers and consumers. Fly is a disease vector, which is any agent that carries and transmits an infectious pathogen into another living organism. They can carry more than 60 types of pathogens picked up from fecal matter. Once they contaminate the food, people will consume them and they will become infected. Existing products for pest control include capturing, protecting, repelling, and more. Research found that repelling is the best solution for food markets as they chase away the fly instead of attracting them. The demand for such devices is high, but commonly people deal with the problem by using a plastic bag tied to a stick to shoo away the flies. Along the way, I discovered that dragonfly is one of the main predators to small insects and also the most deadly. Eventually, it became the natural reference for the project. I identified three most feared dragonfly characteristics to be used against flies. They're visual, motion, and sound. I began to combine these ideas together and explore the form, also tested the technology. Finally, this is the WingGuard. The visual intimidation is achieved by a plastic enclosure with a thin layer of reflective coating. The material refracts sunlight for a dazzling effect, which distracts the flies as they come near. Strong light can have a devastating effect on insect eyes, and they will try to avoid them. Moreover, just like how dragonflies have reflective skin, the device will appear like a predator to generate fear of presence for the flies. The spinning motion of the WingGuard is a simulation of the movement of an active predator, which forces the flies to flee. The other repelling technique utilizes sound. Each insect has a unique wing beat frequency, and naturally it is used as an indication of the species and the location. For dragonflies, they flap and pitch their wings at a rate of 40 Hz, so a sound component will also alert the flies as they're able to react to sound within 50 nanoseconds. Two sizes are designed to provide a range of coverage depending on the need of the market stall. These are the component details and material references for the WingGuard. When put to use, the WingGuard is a simple yet beautiful device that enhances the stall's physical and psychological hygiene condition, at the same time prevent transmission of many serious infectious diseases carried by the flies. Thank you.